Hello students, this is the question and question is y1 equal 10 to the power minus 6 sin 100t plus x upon 50 plus 0.5 and second wave equation is y2 equal 10 to the power minus 6 cos 100t plus x upon 50. So what is the phase difference? There are two waves. Between two waves, what is the phase difference? If you want to compare the phase difference, both must be in sine function. This is the question, main point is this, that both must be in sine function, then only we convert and compare the phase difference. This is the phase. So y2 you may write 10 to power minus 6. This is let equation number 1, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So y2 10 to the power minus 6, you may write sine 100t plus x upon 50 plus pi by 2. Sine 90 plus theta equal cos theta. So this cos function you can write. Now both are in sine function. Now you can compare this angle and this angle. So now phase difference delta phi equal phi 1 minus phi 2. So I am taking this as a phi 1, 100t plus x upon 50 and plus 0.5 minus phi 2 is this. So this is 100t plus x upon 50 and plus pi by 2. So in this you will write further 0.5 minus pi by 2. This is the answer. This is the phase difference. This is answer. Phase difference. Further you will simplify. This is in radian. So convert this and this in degree and minus it. So further this is 0.5 and minus pi is 22 upon 7 into 2 pi by 2 and simplify this and you will convert into degree. This is your answer. In case any doubt, please ask to me. I help. My next question is, yes students, our next question is that A is 1 centimeter of a wave. There is a wave in that amplitude of the waves is 1 centimeter. This is amplitude. The amplitude of the waves, 1 minute. This is amplitude of the waves representing by R is 1 centimeter. Wave frequency is 100 hertz. So you have to find, and there is one more thing given, velocity of the wave is 15 meters per second. This is the plane progressive waves and it is moving in positive directions. So what is the displacement? Here velocity and acceleration at this position, x equal 180 centimeter and time t equal 5 seconds. This is to find u. So no matter, I am trying my best. Write plane progressive waves. So yxt equal r sine omega t minus kx. Now substitute the values. On substituting values, this is r amplitude is 1 centimeter. This is the 1 sine omega. This is frequency is given 100, and omega is 2 pi nu. This is 2 pi nu, and nu means 100, it is 100, and time t equal 5 second, it is 5 second, minus k 2 pi by lambda, and x is 180 centimeter, 100 sorry, very sorry, centimeter. This is, so on further simplification you will find sine, it is 5 to the 1000, so it is 100, 500, 1000, pi minus 2 pi by, how will you find lambda? How will you find lambda? So in this this is the wavelength lambda. So velocity v equal nu lambda. Velocity is 100 hertz, it is given 100 hertz, sorry, velocity is 15. So 15 meter per second, this is 1500 centimeter per second, frequency is 100, and lambda. So on simplification, lambda is 15 centimeter. So this is the 15 and this is 180. So on further simplification, it is sine 100 pi minus, this is, simplify now, 15 ones are 15 and 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So, and 24 twos are 24 pi, 24 pi. So this is sine 76 pi. This is the 0. Sine n pi is 0. So this implies y is 0. If y function, this is the 0, then cos omega t minus kx, this will be 1. If sine of this 0, 1 r is not 0, sine of this 0, sine this 0, so cos 0 is, this implies this is the 0 degree angle, may be sin n pi 0, 0 cos 0 is 1. So this is the, I'll apply it further, we'll apply, use it. Now we are to find, you have got displacement. Displacement is y is 0. This implies y is 0. Displacement is 0. Next we are going to find velocity. What we'll do for velocity? Velocity, I'll differentiate it. This equation, or direct you may write omega times of r cos theta. Velocity is omega times r cos theta. Cos theta, theta is this angle, that is omega t minus kx. And omega t, cos omega t minus kx is 1. This is the 1. Now substitute the value. Velocity v equal omega is 2 pi nu r, and r cos r is 1, and cos omega t minus kx is 1. This is the 1. So it is 2 pi nu is 100 into 1, it is 200 pi. This is the velocity. Now we are to find acceleration. So acceleration is minus omega square y, minus omega square y. So that is minus omega square and y equal r sine omega t minus kx. This is the general formula, and this is the y for propagating waves, value of the y. So this is, you know, this is the 0, this is the 0, that is minus omega square r into 0 is 0. So acceleration is 0, velocity is, this is the velocity u, velocity of the particle 200 pi, and acceleration 0, displacement 0. Okay, best of luck. Please, if you have any doubt, please confirm me, comment me, I'll reply, and please subscribe so that you can find my next video. Best of luck. Thank you.